Hi, welcome to HelloBooks. In this session, we are going to explain you Smart Consolidated Accounting for HelloBooks. We are going to explain you the complete procedure on how the Smart Consolidated Accounting works and how to prepare a consolidated entity-wise reporting. So there is always a multi-entity chaos, which has a problem of separate ledgers, separate chart of accounts, inconsistent intercompany mismatches, manual consolidation spreadsheets needs to be prepared for that in order to ensure that you can get everything at one place in a perfect manner at the group level entity reporting. So we have developed a solution in order to address this and ensure that you have got a complete solution onto multi-entity consolidation. So in basic consolidation, you have got steps like this: data mapping, issue detection, you put in adjustments, and then you find out the insights on the group consolidated reporting. So in Smart AI Consolidation, we take up help of AI into a lot of things, and we have data mapping done through AI. AI does chart of accounts mapping. You just confirm that mapping, and then it reviews the general ledger, and then it does issue detection on the inconsistent chart of accounts in the general ledger. It suggests you the adjustments, what needs to be entered, and then you have got insights on your consolidated financial statements. And so this is how the basic structure of software looks like. And let me explain you in detail what exactly how it works over here and what needs to be done. So the data here is put into various parts. So first you need to put it indent into balance sheet, profit and loss account, cash flow, GL, and chart of accounts for each of the entity. It then processes via AI. It does the normalization of each of the transactions. It identifies the inconsistency, does currency translation, eliminates intercompany, and then you get a reporting period out of this. So into our HelloBooks, we have got specifically for AI-based reporting, we have got two review types where you can do a single entity review and generate AI insights out of that, and you can also do a consolidation review. In later part, I'll explain you how you can go to the software and actually perform these actions. So this review process we have yet defined in a more detailed manner over here. So number one is the setup. You need to set up your group entity and then put the details in the next step. You have to put the details of each of the entities, its currency, and the financial year, and then you have to upload financial statements along with the general ledger. In the fourth step, it validates all the data. It ensures that the data is correct, it's for correct period, everything is good to go, and then now it goes there to AI, and then it does an automatic chart of accounts mapping. You confirm the chart of accounts mapping, and then once it's done, it goes to the general ledger. It finds out the inconsistencies in the transactions, highlights the inconsistencies of each of the transactions. You can either ignore those inconsistencies one by one, or you just press that I confirm that this is an inconsistency. Based upon that, you'll be preparing the adjustments. Adjustments would be more of a manual journal entries which needs to be passed. So based upon the inconsistencies, you get to enter the manual journal entries. You consolidate once you enter those manual journal entries, there is a process of consolidation, currency conversion, and then intercompany elimination, and then you get the final results. So that's how this is a 9-stage cycle of a consolidation journey. It ensures that each of the file is uploaded and it's verified in a correct manner. So we have got now explaining the chart of accounts router. So it ensures that each of your chart of accounts is normalized and it's matched to the master group of accounts. It then finds out the cross entity anomaly, and it finds out the inconsistencies. Like shown over here, that this has been booked as a fixed asset, where this has been booked as an operating asset, and things like that. And then it would say, AI suggested it would give you a journal entry. You have got an option to approve the journal entry or to process have the final journal entries for adjustments. Intercompany elimination engine works like, and it would prepare one consolidated complete journal entry of everything, which would obviously it would be backed up by the data, which are things. And then there's a human element involved, which also you just have to confirm whatever is done by AI. You can add in additional journal entries, and then verify the consolidation requirement, and then you get the financials with the output, and you can. Once the output is generated, you also get an AI-based anomaly reported, which can show and help you into the business decisions, and it can show the trends in the business, if any of the expenses has been missed to be recorded, what is the benchmark as compared to other industry peers, what is the benchmark for industry, if there is any it can do a research, and it can find out that any abnormally high balance spikes. It can also give you an insight on what next needs to be done on each of the part of the business, because it has got complete financials into that, and based on that it can give real-time decisions for that. So that's how the whole system works. This is the AI intelligence text which has been put in, and these are the places where AI has been used. So let me walk you through our complete software and the MVP which we have over here. Let me show you how actually the consolidation review looks like into the actual accounting software which we have built in. So you get up to you can create a new entity from here, and you have to type in there consolidation as an entity type, and you will be able to get to the screen. So this has got a new history. It has also got analysis history, which shows all the analysis which have been done so far, and which saves each of the consolidation done previously. Now you've got two options where you can see a single entity review, where it helps you to review the financials of one single company and get an AI insights based upon that. And this is a consolidation review, which ensures that you can put in the consolidated financials of the group entity and get a consolidated report. So let's put it like this: a Q4 consolidation report XYZ. And so we put in the prayer here, we put in the accounting basis, we put in the materiality threshold. If there are any additional notes we need to put in over here, you press the next. You have to add the entities details over here. What is the currency? What is whether it's a subsidiary, 100, or the percentage of ownership, so that it can take data based upon that. Then you upload all, so that completes the entity. Now you're coming to the uploads. You have to upload profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow, general ledger, chart of accounts over here, and then it would be validated. So you've got an option here to ensure that everything is updated and see a full metrics of that. And then there is a validation where it would check all the uploads done, and it would check whether all is good, and then it would move forward with the next steps of COA mapping. Now here is where the AI would be used, and it would map the chart of accounts of each of the entity to the group accounts, and then give a confidence score. So it would tell you whether it's confident enough or whether this scoring is correct. In any case, you can edit that and then move forward whatever is required. So once that is done, it would work on the data, and then it would prepare the data of inconsistencies. So for these inconsistencies, say for example, payroll classified under different expense categories. So these are the expense categories, and then you can, this is a recommendation which have been put on over here. It explains in a normal language. not a fancy accounting term. And then once you press this resolve, it would then convert that into an adjustment. So it would so all the items either you can resolve or you can dismiss. And then once you do this, you've got an again, you have got an option to approve and enter a manual journal entry for all those. You just want to reject that. And so you just put that manual journal entries, and then you put in the consolidated, and then run the consolidated review. And then once the consolidated review is run, you're able to see the results and what's the overall consolidation, how does that look like. So after that's done, you get to know AI-based insights on the overall performance of the operations. You can ask any questions you have to AI, and then you can get answers out of that. And it can give you insights onto various departments of the business and what can be done next. So in this software, we also have got a feature request. So in case there is any feature request you want, we can work on that features and get back to you if any changes are required. And in case you have got any bug or you want to report a bug, you can report it over here. So that's how the consolidation works. Hope this helps in your entity closure and ensuring your financials are made in investment. Thank you. Have a nice day.